Starting from the very beginning, to open up Microsoft Excel, the simplest way is to go to the search bar on your PC, click on the search bar and type Excel on your keyboard, then you press enter or you click on open. Now once it opens, you can start using Excel. In this video I will introduce you to the interface of Excel. The first bar we have here is the title bar. This bar you have here where you have book 1 is the title bar. If I save my document, the name I've given my document will appear there. We have this bar. This bar here is the quick access toolbar where you have the save button, the undo and the redo button. Under we have the menu bar: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. Now under each of this menu there are several items called ribbons. Now these ribbons are in the toolbar. They are in the toolbar. So this bar is the toolbar where you have the ribbons attached to each of the menus. Then we have the name box. This box you see here called name box is called name box because it gives us the name of the cell we are in. For example, if I click on this cell, it tells me I'm in A2 cell. When I click on this cell, it tells me I'm in A4 cell. This C4 cell. Now the next is the formula bar. This is the formula bar. The formula bar shows you the formula you have written in Excel. So we'll get to formulas later. Then we have the grid area. Now the grid area of the spreadsheet area. Now this space you have here is the space you are given to type your figures or to do your work. We have several columns in Excel and we have several rows. Then we have the sheet tabs. You can create as many sheets as possible by clicking on the plus sign here. I can create as many sheets as possible. Though there is a maximum of sheets you can create. Google it up and check how many sheets you can create in Microsoft Excel. That's the sheet bar. Then we have the status bar where you have ready here. This is the status bar. In the status bar we have the zoom control. You can see you can zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out here. Zoom in and zoom out. That's the zoom control. Zoom control. In Excel, it will surprise you to know that we have several rules in Excel. Now if I scroll, this is the scroll bar as you all know. When I scroll down, it seems not to be exhaustive. To know how many rules we have in Excel, press Ctrl arrow down on your keyboard. Now you can see that we have over 1 million rules in Excel. That means you can do a lot with Excel. To check the number of columns you have, just press Ctrl arrow right. So that gives you the last column in the Excel sheet. So many rows and so many columns to work with. Now this is an overview of the Excel interface.